Good evening, folks. We are live at 8:36 p.m. as you can see there, battling for Shawn's Sise Fromm. Here it is. There it is. That was a mini picture there. We got 200 spots that I'm going to copy and take over to random to find our big old winner. Come on. Ah, crap. Hang on 1 second. Looks like my mouse died, so I'm going to have to do this with the cursor. Give me just a second, please. I'm going to copy the list. And take it over to random to find our winner. Here's that. I'm going to paste them in here. We got 200 spots, as you can see right there, which is awesome. I'm going to scroll back up to the top. I'm going to roll the dice to see how many rounds we're going to go. Got to get a 5 or better to play. We got a 5, so we are good. Let me just get up here to the very top to make sure it exists. There it is. Okay, here we go, guys. Good luck. 5 rounds. Alex takes round 1. Ben takes round 2 with number 126. Abdul round 3 with 91. Michael in the top spot for our next to last round, round 4 with number 33. Bringing us to the final round. As I scroll through this list one last time to get here to comment that we have finally reached the final round. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. And our winner is Salvadoran at number 3. Congrats, Salvador. Here's the verification code at the bottom of our list. It is VVAKRR. Salvadoran at number 73 is the victor. I'm done at 8:39. As you can see there. One last time, there's the results in our winner, Salvador, in at number 73. Congratulations. See you next time, guys. Thanks.